I'm not really sure what's happening with all of the craft stores, but it seems like everyone is having a sale right now. So I wanted to show you what I got in the past few days. I bought a few things. So this is my new yarn, and I'm going to make a blanket of some sorts. I'm gonna do crochet, I believe, and it is called Perfectly Plush Seagrass, and it's really pretty and it's thick, which I love, love, love. Next, I went to Hobby Lobby. So the yarn, of course, was from Hobby Lobby as well. And so I really didn't get that much. I just got some yarn and these red beads. I'm going to make a root chakra bracelet for one of my clients, which if you want to see my bracelet making, let me know. I'd love to share.